Sanibonani, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Mkosi Nophile. Ngiyabonga kakhulu for coming. Akhohlwa ku subscribe, like video, share video. Thank you so much you guys for love and support. Yeah man, you guys ke kule video ke ngizothanda ukuthi sikhulume ke ngalama KZN artists engiboneke laphana udaba lwabo kaZimoja. Angiyaxolisa ukuthi ngizolufunda ngesingisi you guys kule channel. Yazi ukuthi ngiyathanda ukuthi ngifunde ngesizulu kakhulu kazi ngizobe ngiyale ka Isolezwe ngiyazi ukuthi ngizothola udaba ke ngesizulu mangabe ngiyafuna ukulifundela. Kodwa in this case ngizolufunda ngesingisi ngoba ngicupha laphana kaZimoja. Okay, so udaba lelo ngilibonile ngase ngizwa ngifuna ukukhuluma ngalo you guys ukuthi ke isihloko sakhona besithi KZN gospel artists staffed at Zanele Mbokazi's funeral. Kuthiwa they were staffed, baye bahamba bengadlile, baye balamba laphana emngcwabeni kaMama uZanele Mbokazi. Ama KZN artists labo kuyibo kuthiwa bathi ba donate ke inkomo. Mangabe uyabuka ama videos yami uzothola kune story ngeke ngakhuluma ngaso lapha kuthiwa ke kunama gospel artists akhulunywe nje lapha kukhona Othina Zungu, kukhona obani laphana. Ngizothi ukubafunda kancane amagama abo laba ba donate ke inkomo kusho ukuthi bahlangana as gospel artists ba donate inkomo bayidonethela emndenini kaMama uZanele Mbokazi regarding lo monakalo obekhona esifo lesesibe khona. Okay, njengoba eyewalala umama, so ke kusho ukuthi baye ba donate ke inkomo ke inkomo lebingeyokusiza umsebenzi. Anti siyazi ukuthi vele ezifeni mangabe kushoniwe inkosi yami ukuthi kuyavele ku donate kanjalo ukuthi community mhlambi family and friends abantu bayabathi ku donate. Sometimes ku donate nje imali, sometimes ku donate just ukuthi kusetshenzwe lo msebenzi umndeni ukwazi ukuthwala lo msebenzi kusetshenzwe kahle ke kudlule. So I think bona ke as gospel artists ba donate ke inkomo. Istory sabo ngasibona ngayenza video. If you can go down to my videos uzoyithola le video yenkomo. Esithembe lapha siyabona abantu baba umpendulo Bishop Mpendulo Nkambule ongumyeni kaMama uZanele bese trailer la I'm sure i-truck then trailer kunenkomo phakathi babe donate inkomo leyo laphana ke. So ke estoryini lesikukhulunywa ukuthi they were staffed, kusho ukuthi emsebenzini ke wesifo onke la funeral service bahamba bengadlanga. So ke sebebuya ke nodaba la ukuthi it's a shame ukuthi bona bahamba ke bengadlanga emveni kokuthi ba donate. That's how I got the story. Ngase ngibabona iphutha mina you guys ngizosho uvo lwami before I can go read the story ukuthi entweni eyikufa nanya ngizokuthi ungakhaleli ukudla esifeni suke ekhaya udlile uhamba uyesifeni uma ngabe kwenzeka ukuthi iplate awulithola whether you donate 1000 rand, you donate 2000, you donate 5000, angithi wena bewusiza umndeni ukuze ukwazi ukusebenza lo msebenzi. Ubungadonate ukuthi wenzile nawo mawufika lapha uphakele kuzophakwa yesa abantu baningi, kodwa mangabe ushodile it's a mistake and better accept that mistake. Vele ungathi ukuthi baningi abantu lapha nabahambe bengadlile. Judging from the pictures that I see in my videos, bekungemuntu obelaphana emsebenzini kaMama uZanele bekugcwele. So imagine abantu bezama ukufida wonke umuntu obelapha. So uthola ukuthi nje nabo bakhutheke ngemistake base behamba bengadlile. So kumele manje thina sibe nezitori la kuma publications ukuthi laba ba donate inkomo bahambe bengadlile. Hayi mbagxeka kakhulu mina guys. Angazi ishuvo la ku comment section wavele imbono izohlukana kulokho. When it comes to me, bona bathi it's embarrassing ukuthi bahamba bengadlanga. It's a shame. For me it's embarrassing ukuthi you come out emaphepheni uzothi it's a shame ukuthi wena uhamba ungadlile. It's a shame with the fact that you are complaining ukuthi wena uhamba ungadlile esifeni. Mina ngisho guys ngithi sukudlile endlini man, noma uyemsebenzini, noma uyesontweni, noma uyesociety, suka kwakho udlile. Ungazithembisi into ongayazi phambili ukuthi uzoyithola noma ngeke uzoyithola. That's me each and every time, noma ukufa noma yini. Uma uzophuma ekhaya kwakho nje usazi awukwazi ukuthi uzothola ndiphambili. Abanye abantu baziphuzela amaphilisi inkosi yami kumele badle kuqala. So ungazithembisi ke into ephambili ongayazi. Dlana before uhamba. Mawona amaphilisi phuza amaphilisi wakho into ekanjalo nje. Mawungena amaphilisi kodwa dlana ke ngoba ukwazi ukuthi uzobuya sikhatsini ukuthi la uyakhona iplate uzolithola noma ngeke uzolithola, right? That's me you guys. For them ukuthi manje sibe ne story lana ukuthi they are complaining ukuthi abazange bakuthola ukudla after all they donated inkomo and kanti leyo nkomo wayidonate ukuthi wena ubhalisa iplate lakho or kanjani guys. Angisa understand khona lapho you guys. Angisho ukuthi ngiyabagxeka but ngizama ukubabonisa something. Phela abantu angithi asibona izinto ngokufana. Nawe usungayibona ngenye indlela ehlukile the way mina ngiyibona ngakho ne understand. But ukuthi sibe ne story la kuma emaphepheni ukuthi KZN artists bathi bona they went they were starved laphana esifeni sikaMamuzane Mbokazi. Like, really, did you even have to go to the papers ukuthi uhamba ulambile wena? Ibingeke indawo la ungathenga khona iplate le 20 rand or 30 rand or something uzidlela hayi suka bafethu. For me nje ukuthi they are complaining ithi ngiye-story ke you guys ngicela ukuthi ucomment on the comment section. Nginamanga yini mangithi umuzo yesifeni society noma ukuphi dlana before usuka kwakho, ungasithembisi into ongayazi whether uzoyithola or not, especially into eyikufa, especially ukuthi nje uMamuzane Mboka yo ube nabantu bamhambele, abantu umama bamhambele, abantu bekugcwele kuphuphuma lapha. Imagine abantu bezama ukusave everyone who's there. Just imagine. Hayi bafethu ngeke. Okay, some of the KZN gospel artists who donated the cow to Zanele Mbokazi's funeral. To Zanele Mbokazi's family basebefaka isithombe sabo. Those are some of them. Istory sibhayo phila nemzila lapha nogazi. Kuthiwa ke gospel artists who donated a cow to the family of the late Zanele Mbokazi Nkambule have complained. Ungilalele kahle, have complained. Of having been sidelined and left starving at the funeral of the Ukhozi FM radio presenter. Mbokazi Nkambule was laid to rest at the provincial funeral which was held at the Inkosi Albert Luthuli International Convention Center in Durban last Saturday. Okay, now Mbokazi Nkambule passed away over a week ago after losing the battle with the cancer. Right, last week gospel artist donated a cow to the Mbokazi Nkambule family and it was delivered to her husband Bishop Mpendulo Nkambule during the memorial service on Thursday. Artists ke machisizo babalake. Artists such as Ujumbo, Ayanda Ntanzi, Dumi Mkokstad, Andile Kamajola, DJ Tira, Ukhandlela, angazi Khandlela nomuthi Gandlela angazi kazi nimqondise ke lapha. Thobekile, Sipho Makhabane, Asheli Mhlophe, Ebony Ngcobo, Lindelani Mkhize, Dudu Khoza, Timothy Myeni and Uzulu Pavarotti, something like that, not DJ Happy Girl, were part of those who took part in the donation. As long as they were part of those who complained, they were part of those who took place in the donations. Okay, some of the artists who spoke to Uzi Moja on condition of anonymity. Hey, they want to be anonymous yet they are complaining, right? Okay, but on one condition uzosenda sibe anonymous. See Tina, it was a shame that they left the funeral on empty stomach. Okay. They said it was a shame that they left the funeral on empty stomachs after they were refused to queue for food and were told that they had to wait for the family and the government officials to dish first. Ngiyambona emcimbini kazi ukuthi uqala kudla abantu abadala, kuqala kudla abantu abakhulu. So lapha they were saving government officials nabo phela uma behanjele guys izikhulu nako konke you guys abeze politics and all those sorts of people. So bathe bafuna ukusave bona qala they were understand. Okay? Bazoseva labo qala into ekanjalo. So ke artists and people who were part of the organizing team told Uzi Moja ukuthi it was embarrassing for artists who donated a cow to go home on an empty stomachs. Okay. Legendary singer Dr. Rebecca Malope is said to have been one of the artists who was refused a food at the funeral. She left without tasting food from the funeral. This is unacceptable. Remember ke umama uRebecca complainayo bayasho nje ukuthi hayi umama uRebecca naye wahamba engadlile and lento was unacceptable. We are not saying we should have been given food because we donated the cow. But at the same time, you are saying that because we are saying it is a shame and it's embarrassing ukuthi awudlile yet you donated. And then ngaphansi bese ya change story we are not saying we could have been given food, but you are saying that. Right? So angazi you guys. We are not saying we should have been given food because we donated the cow, but it's only human to offer mourners ukudla. A gospel artist said, it's only human ubuntu lobo ukuthi abantu mabezile esifeni baphiwe ukudla. So it is a shame ukuthi abantu ke bahamba bengadlile. The artist feels that they were neglected because there were a lot of dignitaries at the funeral. Engathi usuyasho. Bekukhona abantu ade besaseviwa into ekanjalo guys. Wena wasekuthi uzoseviwa ngemuva, sesevile ke laba abantu. Mhlambe wena wasushesha wahamba ke angazi khona lapho ugazi kwenzekani ke. The artist feels that they were neglected because there were a lot of dignitaries at the funeral which might have made it impossible for the catering company to cater for everyone. They could have just let us queue with the family if they respected us. Another artist ke yatshela Uzi Moja ukuthi they had been assisting the family from Thursday until the day of the funeral only to be treated like nobodies. bebefuna ukutreatwa njengama somebodies, okay, but they were treated like nobodies. We need to know what happened to the cow that we donated to the Nkambules. Yet you are saying you are not complaining ukuthi wena uphiwanga ukudla ngoba udonate inkomo. At the same time so ubujiki ukuthi wena ngifuna ukwazi ukuthi kahle le nkomo sayidonate kwenzekani ngayo. Can you see? Like, this is a lot of hypocrisy in this story. Usho njalo but at the same time ufuna ukujikisa story bese ngathi no asiyiminishi kanjalo but kahle kahle uyisho kanjalo. That's me, you guys. I do not know. We want to know what happened to the cow that we donated to the Nkambules. They should have slaughtered it to make sure that the cow covers all the people who came to pay their last respect. Some artists were not even afforded water to drink. Imagine. Artists. According to the artists, the family, all the artists and prominent people that had come in the large numbers to pay their last respects to Zanele, the family decided that they won't be feeding anyone at the ICC. The food was prepared. The food that was prepared was kept in the La Mercy, and it's a distance. This is what I was saying, Minuguti. Babe se ICC kwase mhlambe kuyashoda ukudla kunye kuthiwa kusele ekhaya ngasela mesi kungani ke manje ungasukila uye ngasekhaya uyodla nale nkomo bathi kwenzekani ngayo mhlambe ihlatshiwe nje inyama ingale ngasekhaya wena ufuna ukusuka la bese uyasihambela emzini wakho kanti ke ukudla kukhona ngale ekhaya kanti ke esikhathini esiningi ngiyabona abantu babesuka ngasesifeni la esenzelwa khona bese beya le ngasekhaya endlini abantu bazofika badle ngale wena uzocomplain uzosuka la usihambele kwakho into ekanjalo you guys. So angazi bafethu ukuthi kanti ba complain nje bese kuba nelapha engibone khona lapha na ku Isolezwe bebeveza uThina Zungu. I'm gonna go there quickly you guys, give me a chance. Baveza uThina Zungu basebekhuluma kancane ngalolu daba ngizoya lapha ngibone kunoThina Zungu kukhulunywa ke nalo lolu daba nalo lolu daba lunoThina Zungu la esithombeni ke kuthiwa ke amakhola awafuna ukuyeka ukuhleba into ekanjalo ngibonile nje kufakwe uThina Zungu bahleba ngalo lolu daba lokuthi bahambe bengadlile asifunde kancane. Amakholwa nokuhleba izithupha ziya egwayini. Ngithuke kabi ngihlangana noThina Zungu ehamba evimba abantu ekhala ngokuncishwa ukudla emncwabeni kaZanele Mbokazi Nkambule. Ngimuzwe esekhala nangokuthi banikele ngenkomo kodwa abasadli. Ngicabanga ukuthi umzwile nawe DJ Happy Girl ekhuluma edlula ngakwena. Sesizosaba ukuthatha iminikelo yenu madoda uma kunje. So khona lapho ke angazi ukuthi uThina Zungu nobani abacomplainile you guys. Angithi yasibona istory silaphana you guys ka Isolezwe abasibhalanga ngokugcwele la Kazimoja besibhale ngokugcwele nje bangufundele lana babhale nje ka Isolezwe basibhale kancane you guys. KunoThina Zungu bathi amakhola afuna ukuye ukuhleba basebekhuluma nje ukuthi amakhola nokuhleba ke laphana izithupha ziyegwayini ke. Ngithuke kabi ngihlangana noThina Zungu ehambe evimba abantu ekhala ngokuncisha ukudla encwabeni kaZanele. Ngimuzwe esekhala nangokuthi banikele ngenkomo kodwa abasadlanga. Ngicabanga ukuthi umzwile nawe DJ Happy Girl ekhuluma edlula ngakwena. Sesizosaba madoda ukuthatha iminikelo yenu uma ninje njengoba benikelile nje bekumele badle ngoba basadla ngake ingakho sebe complain nje you guys. I think omunye wabo uThina Zungu angazi kodwa ke ngibona kune story laphana sibhaliwe laphana you guys. Mhlambe ngizobuye on another video ngaso lesi story mangingasibona sesiphelele ka Isolezwe because I had to go Kazimoja ngiyosicupha khona ngoba ngibonile ke kuthiwa ba complain ke ngokuthi abadlanga laphana ke esifeni sika Mama Zanele Mbokazi emveni kokuthi ba donate babuye bajike sebengathi bafuna ukuthi no asisho ukuthi ngoba sidonate. That's what we are saying. That's what you are saying. But anyways, thank you so much for watching this video. Ingazibende kakhulu. Like subscribe. Ushuvala ku comment section. Kungani sithanda ukcomplain ukudla kokufa? Kungani sithanda ukcomplain ukudla kokufa? Ngoba udonatile wena sekumele uthola iplate. Engabe mhlambe ngaloko kudonate kwakho ubhalisa ukuthi ufuna ukuthola iplate. Angithi guys kuyakusho ukuthi hamba udlile uma uya phakathi kwabantu ngoba wazi ukuthi uzolithola ukudla noma ukuzukuthola. Uma ungakutholanga yamkela ngoba abantu baningi nawe ukhutheke ngephutha hayi ngamasibomo. Kuyenzeka vele sasihambe emcimbini kunje you guys size sibuye singadlanga kodwa kube bekudliwa uyakhutheka ngemistake you guys. You don't have to go around complaining. Angazi that's just me. Thank you so much you guys. Usiyashuva la ka comment section so besibonane futhi kwenye video elandelayo. Bye.